Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hi, and welcome back to another video. My name is Brendan Lowe. I work at Solved as a Salesforce consultant. And today we're going to be talking some more about Salesforce, Agentforce. Specifically, we're going to target the question of how scalable is Agentforce. And what I found so far, if it was ranked on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd have to give Agentforce a 10 out of 10. I think Salesforce definitely targeted scalability as one of the core benefits of Agentforce as they were designing the product. So I want to talk today about some of the reasons why I would give Agentforce a 10 out of 10 on scalability. The number one overall reason has got to be that it seamlessly is integrated with Salesforce itself. Why is that so beneficial? Well, the first reason is because you have a lot of things built on Salesforce already. Lots of companies, if they're not just starting out with Salesforce, have processes already built in Salesforce, have data in there, maybe have multiple clouds that they purchased. And so not having to build an integration to get AI benefits and just have Agentforce seamlessly integrate with Salesforce is a huge scalable benefit. The other thing is, as you scale up Salesforce and if you have Agentforce, you automatically have that scalability and that integration, right? If I now start out with Sales Cloud and then I purchase Service Cloud and I start running service through Salesforce and I already have Agentforce, well, it's very easy to combine the two and get the benefits of Agentforce with now that service side of the business. That is what I would say is the number one reason why Agentforce is very scalable. But let's talk about a couple other things. One thing that I would say helps with the scalability is the fact that you can customize the agents. The agents can handle a lot of different processes and can really do a lot if you can build them out correctly. And I found that it's not super difficult to set up your own topics and actions with custom agents and get them to do whatever you need to for your processes. And I would say that adds to a level of customizability, but also scalability as you get new processes that are able to be handled by Agentforce. Additionally, Agentforce is something that can learn on the fly, right? It has adaptive learning. And as these agents interact with your processes and your data, they can scale up with your business on their own as they improve and give you better performance. The last piece that I would say contributes to the scalability is the pricing. It's usage-based pricing, which means that as you scale up, if your company grows and more people are using Agentforce, the price will increase, but it does also mean that you're only paying for what you use. So as your business changes, if you use less, you're not locked into a contract per se of spending a certain amount on Agentforce. It fluctuates as your usage fluctuates. All of these things come together. I would say for Salesforce, Agentforce is super scalable. It's something that you can implement with confidence and not worry about a lot of maintenance costs and changing and full overhauls as your business changes or scales. One thing that I'd like to recommend as a follow-up to this video is to take a look at one of the videos that my teammates put together around that usage-based pricing to help you get an understanding of what would it look like as my business scales up, or how would I pay. So we'll link the video here, but it's called What Are the Pricing Models for Implementing Salesforce? And I would recommend you take a look at that as a good next step for learning about Agentforce. Thank you and have a great day.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.